Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share to you my recipe of pepper salt pork chop. But before we start, I'll show you the ingredients. First, we need half a teaspoon of 5-spice powder, black pepper powder, then 1 teaspoon of iodized salt, sugar, garlic powder, and 4 tablespoons of flour. We also need 1 whole egg, sesame oil, pepper salt powder, and pork chops. For the breading, we need breadcrumbs. We're going to mix all the ingredients. Cover the container and shake it until it's fully incorporated. And then let's set this aside. For the pork chop, I'm gonna use a mallet to tenderize and to flatten it. I'm going to cut the sides. Then we put sesame oil. Put the flour mixture. And then we need the egg. Dip the pork chop to the egg. And dip it to the breadcrumbs. Now it's ready to deep fry. This oil has been preheating for about 5 minutes in a medium heat. We're going to fry this for 4 minutes. It's done. Now it's time to cut the pork chop. Then we sprinkle with pepper salt powder. Now I'm going to plate. Then I'm going to use this Mifi rice mold. Then I'm going to use watermelon seeds for the eyes. Then I'm going to use nori sheet. There. It's finished. Pepper salt pork chop. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.